Not every day. It's not every day. It's not every day you restore another boat and another one and another one and another one. Guys, you have no idea what I'm gonna do next. I didn't have time to go ahead and video the whole thing of this, but I think maybe with just looking at the customer's face when I pull up, that's gonna be sufficient. So, wow, this is kind of low down here, man. I have to jump in through the front. So we gotta find the customer's boat now. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Pure luxury, huh? Pure luxury here. Look at that, man. This is. I mean, some of you guys might think, ah, man, Alfred's got the life. But then now, like right before this, I was getting rained on and crocodile ate my croc. Yeah, my Crocs. I have Crocs. So, whatever. Long story short, this is it, man. This is it. This is what we work for, or work hard for, so we can go ahead and make these memories with these customers. Can't wait to see this guy's expression when I pull up. All right, we found the customer. We got Paul here, and he's here. He's got his boat. He's got his tender. And Paul originally called me for a Novurania that I was selling, and then all of a sudden, I was like, well, let's retube it. Paul, is it everything you expected?
Looks terrific. Really good job.
Everything. What did we do? More or less everything. Tell them what everything that we did for you, so people can know that, you know, that, like, explain the cowling, how that was, and what a difference.
Well, the first and most important thing was the retubing. That was the most important thing. I was looking at buying a new inflatable, but when you priced it out, it's super expensive. Just retubing it was great, and then the bonus on top of it was you guys detailed the boat.
Yeah,
washed,
we
waxed,
polished it. Yeah, we did a good job with that.
Looks great. Had a big crack in the front of the cowling of the motor. You guys fixed that, repainted the motor, did everything. Very, very pleased. Good work. And I would use you again in a heartbeat. That's awesome.
And look, let people know this is the first time you met me.
Right.
Right? We didn't even see each other ever. You just found out about me, and then all of a sudden, then you just went ahead and we started texting back and forth, and
yep.
and everything was, you know, via text, most of our conversations and stuff like that. And yep. You know, he needed some storage, so we had the boat sitting a little bit more at the shop, just getting all the work that we got done.
Yep.
So guys, listen, if you got a rib and you want amazingness, reach out to us. It's all in the link below. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we have another pimped out rib.